Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today, I don't know what this is. I think it's some kind of networking box. Most of it's in Chinese. It looks quite old. So we're going to open it up and see if there's any gold in there. Three fans in the back. Getting every screw there is undone. Let's see if it comes off. Can't see any more screws. Let's see what that is. Metal, so it'll go in the metal bin. Ah, there's quite a few chips in here. Got some corner BGA chips and a few others. There's another corner BGA chip there. There's another one there, so I can see 4. And there might be more underneath. Right, where do I start with this one? There's no screws there. Can't see any screws, so they must all be inside. Let's try a smaller flat screwdriver. Oh, there's a lot of screws. Some of them are a bit difficult to get to. Little plastic protectors. Really compact, this one. This has got to be the power supply of it. Can't see any more screws there.
There's one right in the middle.
This thing must come apart. Should always wear gloves when you do this, and probably masks. I've got skin like leather. I don't know how this comes apart. This side's out. Right. So you've got the fans there, and you've got the power supply. And here's the motherboard. Now I can get to the screws easily. There's a lot of screws on here. Where are the other screws? Oh, there's one. And there's one. Okay. So that's that circuit board out. Got some MLCCs going all the way across there. Because it's old, they might have silver and palladium in them. And there we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 corner BGA chips, which definitely contain gold bonding wires in the black part, the top part of it. And then we've got all these other chips, which will probably have, maybe all of them or some of them will have gold bonding wires. These ones I would have thought would have had just copper in these and these. But I could be wrong, they could contain some gold. But yeah, and we've got all these infinite so these have got gold. See if I can strip one open. I'll show you where the gold is. You're seeing now. Yeah, they got really poor gold. It's not a good coating at all. It's just like in the middle of the pins. I've never seen that before. In the middle there's gold plating, and at the top and bottom there's nothing. Which is unusual for an older piece, but then this one was made in China, so. But yeah, we'll take all these chips off. There's an oscillator there, so they'll have gold or silver in there. Yeah, and these ones are all gold. If you put it sideways, you can see the gold better. So across there and across there, they're better coating than the plugs. Got a fuse there. These are all aluminium, bit of copper there. Those have just been brass, zinc coated brass. So that's that one. Let's have a look at the power supply. So the power supply is mainly copper. So you've got copper there, copper there, copper, copper, copper. These are all copper in here. So there's quite a bit of copper. You can tell by the weight of it, it's very heavy. This is copper. Can't get it out, it's so tightly packed in there. So I'll have to get the pneumatic. Yeah, these have got copper all through them. Yeah, apart from that, it's not a great ball. There's another ball there. Let's get that one out. Didn't see that one hiding in there. There's one on the other side. These are fans. This is what I do with fans, because they're mainly plastic, so I'll just chop them like that, and that goes in the bin. This will go in scrap metal, this plug. This will go into a wire, and then these, I just pull these off like this, and that is your motors, that goes in your motors. Let's have a look at that ball that just come out. So these are all gold plated, all the way, them ones, and I should imagine these are inside as well. As you can see, they look like just the tips are gold plated on there. I could be wrong, but yeah, I'll get them. These are definitely good, so I'll get them out and they'll go in the gold bin for recycling. It's aluminium, aluminium, and that's about it. There's two of them. So there's a little bit of gold there. There won't be a lot. That, another one for the collection. That's quite a nice board. And this is just going to be it's just going to be scrap. Get the screws off. And that's the scrap metal, totally stripped. That didn't take too long. So, ready for the next one. Right, so I've finished taking the bits that I want from it. That's the power supply, after taking these copper bits off. These have got copper in. This is all the aluminium that's there. This is what's left of the board. This is the flat packs, and this is the corner BGAs. And this is where most of the gold is. Not there, not that bit of gold you can see, but it's inside the black bit there. That's where the gold bonding wires are. I'll probably get them off at a later stage. But for now, that is pretty much done. and I will be taking them off as well. Oscillators went into there. These are my little top up pots. When they're full they get emptied into bigger ones, and then after that they get emptied into even bigger ones. All these flat pack chips go into here. This is nearly full now, so I'm going to have to refine them soon. There's a few kilos in there.